Waiting in line for a gross office microwave or eating cold leftovers in your truck during a busy workday is miserable. I bought 5 of the top electric lunchboxes on the market and tested them on my job sites and road trips. I tested heating speed, seal tightness, capacity, and cleaning ease, so you don't waste your money. Here are the 5 best self-heating lunchboxes you can buy today.
Product number 1. Buddu 80-watt electric heated lunchbox. When I first pulled the Buddu 80-watt out of its insulated carry bag, I liked how compact and sturdy it felt in my hands. The hard plastic outer shell feels durable, and the 4 side latches snap shut with a firm, reassuring click. Inside sits a thick 1.5-liter 304 stainless steel tray, alongside a small 0.4-liter fruit container. During my testing, I plugged it into my car's 12-volt outlet 30 minutes before my lunch break. The 80-watt PTC heating element warmed my cold pasta and chicken evenly without drawing out the food or burning the bottom. The rubber steam vent on the lid opened smoothly to release pressure, and the sealed silicone gasket meant 0 sauce leaked out while driving over bumpy roads. My favorite part was the lid compartment that neatly holds the included stainless steel fork and spoon. If you drive a truck, commute long distances, or want a dependable heater for work, this one gives you incredible performance for the price. If you want something with higher heating power and a slightly larger capacity for massive meals, this next option steps it up a notch. Product number 2. Travelissimo 100-watt electric lunchbox. Holding the Travelissimo 100-watt lunchbox, I immediately noticed the smooth matte finish and the ergonomic fold-down handle. It feels surprisingly lightweight, but the thick outer plastic construction feels tough enough to throw in a backpack or toolkit. I plugged this unit into a standard desktop wall outlet at my desk, and within 15 to 20 minutes, my cold leftovers were steaming hot. The upgraded 100-watt heating element distributes warmth evenly and fast, so I didn't get any frozen spots in the center. The included stainless steel fork and knife feel much sturdier than cheap plastic utensils, and the extra compartment gave me a clean spot to keep my side snacks separate. Plus, having both a 110-volt wall cord and a 12-volt 24-volt car adapter means you can use it literally anywhere. If you're an office worker, trucker, or student looking for a sleek, high-power food warmer that heats faster than standard models, this Travelissimo is a great pick. Now, if you pack even larger portions and want built-in side dish versatility, this next heavy-duty unit is built for you. Product number 3. Dupasu 100-watt electric lunchbox. Picking up the Dupasu electric lunchbox, the first thing I noticed was its generous size and heavy-duty weight. The gray exterior feels rugged, and the heavy-duty locking clips clamp down tightly over the silicone sealing ring to make it completely leak-proof. This model packs a powerful 100-watt heater and a massive 1.8-liter stainless steel tray. In my speed testing, it heated up a thick stew from ice cold to piping hot in about 20 minutes. I really liked the 0.45-liter separate salad container, which let me keep my cool side dishes completely separate from the main heating section. The stainless steel tray pops out effortlessly and goes straight into the dishwasher for quick cleanup. If you work on construction sites or need huge portions to power through a long physical shift, this high-capacity Dupasu model is unbeatable. If you prefer maximum flexibility with dual compartment layouts and whisper-quiet heating, Sohita has a fantastic alternative. Product number 4. Sohita 80-watt electric lunchbox. When I picked up the Sohita electric lunchbox, I really appreciated its streamlined design and the comfortable carrying handle. The exterior plastic housing feels solid, and the snap-lock latches align smoothly without catching. Putting this through my daily testing, I loved how silent it ran. It heated my food discreetly at my desk without releasing strong food smells or loud steam sounds. The 304 stainless steel container heated up evenly using 80 watts of power, getting my meals steaming hot in about 25 to 30 minutes. The seal around the lid is completely spill-proof, so I didn't have to worry about soup spilling in my car. The included insulated carry bag keeps the heat trapped inside long after you unplug it. If you want a versatile, silent food warmer that handles both car trips and office desk lunches smoothly, the Sohita is a smart pick. Finally, if you want a classic, budget-friendly model that delivers effortless operation and easy cleaning, let me show you this final pick.
Product number 5. Vabasso 80-watt electric lunchbox. Holding the Vabasso electric lunchbox, the clean casing feels smooth, lightweight, and durable. The integrated top handle folds flat for easy stacking, and the snap latches secure the lid tightly against the leak-proof silicone ring. During testing, I hooked it up using the 12-volt car adapter on my way to work. In about 25 minutes, my meal was thoroughly heated without burning or drying out. I found that adding a small splash of water to my food before plugging it in helped it steam even faster and stay moist. The removable stainless steel tray pops out instantly for quick washing, and the separate fruit container kept my cold sides fresh while my main course warmed up. If you're looking for an affordable, straightforward electric lunchbox that just works every single day, this Vabasso model is an incredible value. Finding the right electric lunchbox comes down to whether you need maximum meal capacity, faster heating speed, or easy portability for your car or truck. Check out the links down in the description below for live pricing and current discounts on all 5 lunchboxes. Drop a comment letting me know your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe.